Good morning, chat. A nice, beautiful Monday. Start the week off great. No news Monday. Good morning, Kathleen. Beautiful no news Monday. I'll talk about big candles again. I really like the previous day high as a target. The previous day high here is a beautiful target to go grab, and especially now it looks like we completely swooped these lows and tapped into the last 15-minute fair value gap of this leg up here. This is a great continuation trade to the previous day high. Now hopefully we just get a retrace so we can continue going up. Be very clean. So like I said, Chad, I would really like to get a retrace and then we can target previous day high. That's all the way up here as a target. Hopefully it just doesn't run there in one simple move with no retraces or no entries, especially before 9:45. And if it does take it before 9:45, we'll try to look for a reversion trade back to the 9:30 open or back into the range. morning, Mr. David.
Boing. Boing.
Previous day high looks like a great target. Yes, already took it and is flying by it.
I hate the way the daily highs form on the charts. Like it's not even from like midnight to midnight. It takes the highs like at fucking 6 p.m. Right after 6 p.m. Whatever high forms, it's the high of the day.
Oh, I see
And
what
I
you
hate saying
mean.
high of that day because it starts at 6. Like look at Friday, mark out midnight to midnight, and you've already taken the high.
Yeah, I see.
Like
I
Asia
didn't see that.
session, the high and the low on Friday is formed by the Asia session on Thursday. Like, how does that make sense?
Yeah, for real.
I really don't know how it does, but I guess so.
It's because the new
I guess
candle
because
the new daily candle opens at what time? It opens at 6, that's why.
yeah, a new day opens. Yeah, because it closes and opens again at 6. So I guess that's how it works.
Sorry.
Oh.
It's hot outside today. Why, I'm sneezing
It
today.
is beautiful weather today.
Yeah, it is.
Sun's out, buns out. Boing!
$117 goes to $159 or $199? $159. Let's lower the size a little bit. Sell the
All this yes want to go higher for those other daily highs? Or are we coming lower? Keeping that big SMT and then starting to drop now and get all of that low resistance liquidity built.
No idea. But if it does that, I would say that Monday's probably going to create the low of the week if we grab all that sell side.
Sucks because the 1 hour chart is relatively confusing.
I looked at both 15 minutes to 15 minutes. Look, we souped like 3 lows and we tapped into a big 15 minute for value gap. I don't know. Even the 15 minutes confusing because we resouped the high if we close within in the next 4 minutes. Do you see what I see?
Whatever, we'll see. Let it do its thing. Let it tell us what it wants to do. You have an SMT at the highs, you have an SMT internally, you have an SMT at the daily. You have too many SMTs, so just wait.
Internally, what do you mean internally?
Well, it depends what you use as a chart, but on the 15-minute, NQ swept a 3 a.m. low and a 15-minute for value gap, and ES did not. So you have a SMT
Okay,
with
okay.
London lows, and you have ES sweeping the highs from Thursday, NQ not. So you have a daily bearish SMT, you have an internal 15-minute SMT that's bullish. You're in Thursdays and Tuesdays new day opening gaps right now, just chilling. And you have a bunch of stacked lows building up. So are you going to go for that trend line liquidity that's being built to go lower? Are you going to respect the 15-minute bearish, 15-minute bullish SMT? Or are you going to respect the bearish daily? I mean, who knows? You're not really going anywhere. You're still in Thursday's range. You're literally in Thursday's range right now. You need something to be taken out. You're just hanging out in Thursday's daily range. I have no idea where we would want to go more. It's a very good question. It's not the best conditions. You're chilling in Thursday's daily range and you're between two SMTs.
Do, 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 do. I think that solo queue garbage in Apex starts tomorrow, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, heard. David?
Yeah.
Did you hear what I said?
Nope.
The Apex, like that solo queue shit, diamond and above, I think it starts tomorrow.
Yeah, I heard that too.
So you could play with Eric. I can't play with you guys. I'm already in diamond.
I'm not gonna play with her. What the hell? Bro, you think I like that game that much?
Hoi hoi. Hoi hoi. Hey, Futures Floor. I went to bed early yesterday, like 10:30, 10:40. I was out, closed my phone, went to bed. I was so tired. And I think I passed out in like 1 minute. Tuka, tuka. It's so funny when I hear your mouse click like that. You went to bed at 45:30? Wow. He's so tired, he doesn't even know what time he went to bed. He invented time. .430, that's a bit retarded.
Yeah, he's lost his mind.
What are you doing up till 4:30? Like, what could you even possibly be doing?
He eats a bunch of junk, goes in the living room and listens to like YouTube stories. That's what he does. Eats a bunch of bullshit, watches YouTube stories.
Bro, I'd be tired all day. I'd be lazy. I wouldn't want to do anything. I wouldn't want to cook. I wouldn't want to go to the gym. I wouldn't want to do shit.
So his brain doesn't work anymore. He's running on 3 hours of sleep every day.
I'd be so tired.
Bro, it ruins your mind, it ruins your emotions, ruins your health, ruins your metabolism, ruins your recovery, ruins your brain function, and he still does it. Get your sleep right. It's too important. Boom, boom, boom. Gotta get.
I guess allergies started for me. But it doesn't make sense I'm allergic to pollen because pollen started, my allergies didn't flare up. It's like they start to flare up like in the middle of the summer. I get all that mucus. What time did you go to bed?
I went to bed at 11:30.
11:30 you said?
Yeah, I think so. 11:40, 11:45, around there.
Not too shabby.
Not too bad at all, no.
So now we have to pray for Japan beating Brazil, and Japan is paying 5.25.
What? I heard
They're a big underdog.
for Japan to win is 1.7 money line.
No, money line it's over 5.
No, I don't believe you.
Yeah, they're 1.7 versus Brazil, like the top 5 team. You're a genius. That math makes
That's
so
what I
much
heard.
sense.
Telling you, that's what I heard.
Here, I'll tell you now, I'm on the app. Japan right now, yesterday was 5.25, now they're paying 5. Brazil is paying 1.72. The tie is 3.6. Japan was
Then
paying
okay, that's what I heard.
5.2 for this
Brazil
yesterday.
1.7.
Yeah, now they're paying 5 for Brazil.
Wait, how would Brazil 1.7 but Japan 5?
Because Japan is an underdog. Yeah, normally it's 1.72 and the other team would be like 2.4, 2.5, 3 max. It's because they think that even if Japan scores, Brazil will tie it. So Brazil covers like a tie and Brazil victory, like they expect it like I think like 80% of the time. So like Japan technically out of 100 games should only win about like 20. This is why.
Bro, they played them in a friendly and beat them.
Yeah, but they were down by 2 goals. They were losing 2-1 and
Yeah,
they
and then they
scored two
won
goals at the
3-2.
end. Yeah, I know. I don't know.
Like, even losing in a friendly is embarrassing.
So yeah, hopefully Japan scores the first goal. If not, I think it's GG.
They just can't play scared.
Yeah, I know.
If you play with conviction and you're attacking, I think they have a chance.
They got to come out very aggressive.
Yeah, I think if they're playing conservative and defense, I think that's where they're gonna get messed up on. AKA, boy.
Wow, there's a lot of sellers at the 25-30 area. Every time price is pushing up, it's coming right back down. Push through. There you go. Japan. Wow, why the odds favor Brazil? Across 14 international meetings, Brazil beat them 11 times, 2 draws and 1 loss. Out of 100 matches, Japan is expected to win 12 to 18 against Brazil. Ouch. We believe. Well, that's a drop. Right in the kisser. This is crazy drop. This is big drop. Good morning, Kurt. It's not Alex and Martin, it's Alex and David. There you go. Thank you.
Alex and Martin. Martin and Alex.
All right. Well, we're slowly coming down.
I don't know, but France has a good chance.
Yeah, France has a great chance. Did you see the easy path they gave to Argentina? They don't even have anybody on their in their right corner. They have Cap Verde, like Egypt, and like Australia, I think, or some weird other team. Then on the top you have Germany fighting with France, Spain fighting with Portugal. It is rigged. Trying to give it to Messi again.
He deserves it.
Hey. But yeah, France is a great team, and I find the players play so well together. Like they're not like what is it, egotistical? Like they actually pass the ball and they look out for their teammates. They play very well as a team. They're not greedy. Yeah, Messi too has been scoring a lot. But he's also playing teams that barely made it in the World Cup. Anyways, we'll see how Argentina performs versus a better team than the ones in the bottom 30. And since they have all the shitty teams in their corner, it's going to be in the top 4 that they might face Brazil, or it's going to be in the final that they face actually their first team that's decent, which is probably going to be France or Portugal. I guess we'll see. Yeah, the one talking with the camera on is Alex. The one who doesn't have a camera yet is David. Mr. David. He doesn't want to show his face because he's on a 7-win streak. He's shy. It's a lot of pressure. Oh well, what do we have here? Another SMT. All right, well, the next target would be previous day equilibrium with these lows here. 15-minute low at 1 a.m., 15-minute low at 11:30 p.m. What a big rejection, huh? We got right under previous day high. Huge rejection down. No, actually, I didn't figure it out. I have no idea what that was. To be honest, I think it was connective, maybe issues. Maybe Tradevate was having issues connecting to its proper servers. Because I'm not a scalper and I don't trade, not hyperactive. What's the word? The people who take like 1,000 trades a second. A hyper scalper, right? I take like three to five, six, 7 trades a week, so I have no idea why I was getting that error message. No idea.
I think 3 to 5, 6, 7 trades.
Yeah, like it varies. Sometimes I get like 2 trades in a week, sometimes I'll get like 10. So I don't know, like the average is. Yeah, high frequency trading. Yeah, I don't do that at all, so I don't know how I got that error message. No idea. I think it was just connective issues. They were having issues with something. Because I wasn't even trading while it was giving me that message. I was just looking at my charts and I kept getting an error message on Tradevate. But I wasn't even trading, so it's impossible. I did something. Wasn't in a trade, I didn't have orders up, nothing. Anyways, who cares? It's so rare I get issues with Tradevate. I think they had one issue one time where their numbers weren't coming in and they were trying to fix it. I think I had that issue 1 or 2 days out of over 2 years, so no biggie. Hey, the candles are big
All
again,
right,
huh?
so
Very big
MQ is
candles.
going to take out some internal lows. We'll see if it wants to continue pushing down lower or reverse back up. Literally made a high right under a daily high on NQ. We were literally 50 points away from a daily high and we reversed. I hope it's not one of those days where it just bounces back and forth.
You scalped it back, or you took a short near the top and you held it all the way back down?
You
Yeah, for sure. When you have profit, take it. Especially when you're up a decent amount and it makes sense and we took out liquidity, grab it. Or follow with a tight stop. The candles still have a lot of volume today. They're pretty big, the candles. They make the pre-market candles look like nothing. But even the pre-market candles are like 15, 20 point ranges. Now we have 60, 70, 80 point range candles. Yeah, exactly. Losses are inevitable. We eventually all lose and we eventually all go on losing streaks. Trust your setup and follow the rules. Wow, I trained back for one of the first times in forever last week and my back is still sore today. Where are we on the 1 hour? What does the 1 hour look like today? Pretty strong rejections from this area straight down, huh? Came down hard. Where we hit the 29,840 area, we're back all the way down to the 29,440s.
29 for 4, 25 for
Next lows are down here. So we actually might be going for the internal lows that we built. It's a pretty large drop. I don't know. I really hate that we're still in the Thursday range.
We have Asia sell side and the market they open all the way down here at 284. 280 to 284.
What?
Asia open, Asia low.
Okay.
Yes, we have another target to go grab in the 280 area.
Well, you have a low at 388, then you have another low at 361. You have internal lows here. Before that.
Wow, what a drop.
Oh wow, yes, caught up. Took the same lows. I thought yes was far behind. It's pretty close.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, we'll take Asia and stuff. Yes, will probably be far. Wow, it's nice all day today. I don't know. I really don't get what's up with all the rain. It's like we're in the Amazon forest.
But it's like Edmonton, they barely get rain, now they're getting flooded. Even Calgary, they barely get rain. Apparently during the year, they barely get rain.
Did you watch the Call of Duty tournament?
Did I not tell you I watched it all?
I'll rephrase. I know you watched it. At the end, when they gave an MVP award.
Yeah, how mad do you think Shotzi was?
I don't think he was mad.
I think he was a bit cheesed.
Maybe a bit inside, but I don't think he was mad. I think he's happy for winning the cup. I don't think he cares about an MVP necklace.
It was a nice one though.
Yeah. But yeah, Shotzi should have been MVP in my opinion.
But Hugh too played very well. I don't know if you saw most of the
He
games.
too
He was
played consistent
bro.
over the weekend, yeah.
He went on a 10
But
kill streak in search. Bro.
but I don't know if the MVP award goes to the grand final
Yeah, me neither.
good player or was it for the entire weekend? I don't know.
Entire weekend.
I don't know. They didn't say MVP of the tournament.
No, it's always tournament.
I don't know.
It's just the last games have more value to it.
Last game, one game, last
No,
bracket,
I'm saying like
whole
the finals.
weekend,
Dude, no,
whatever it was. I think Shotzi should have got it.
yeah, it's the whole weekend, but the final hold more weight to it.
Bro, how do you know this? Who's telling you
Because it's
this?
always like that.
He literally just said MVP.
Yeah, the most valuable player. Most of the time, the clutches in the finals have a lot more weight than the ones before. But Dashi had a lot of good clutches throughout the tournament. Hugh and Shotzi just played very well overall. Like, bro, Shotzi played phenomenal.
Yeah, Dashi had some. I actually saw some insane saves.
Yeah, I know. He was very good too.
But MVP is not who saved. It's literally the most valuable player, and that's Shotzi on that team.
It could have even been Hugh. Did you see his
Yeah,
stats
maybe.
for the tournament, bro? He was killing it.
Yeah, I would have given it to Hugh or Shotzi.
Like, don't forget when Hugh does well, he does well in game, but he's the calmer of the team. Like he calms everything, so they get so much information out of him too. And then when he plays well, they get so much value.
I listened to their comms. They're pretty much all good at comms. They're good. They communicate well together. Some other teams are just screaming in the mic.
You know, like Xnid, get him out. The guy gets like 3 kills. He's still losing the game, and he's yelling like a fucking maniac.
They're just screaming dead. Like, bro, shut up.
You could tell Celium is like so fed up of hearing it.
They see the kill feed. They don't need to hear you scream.
Gets a 3-piece. He's yelling, "Shit on, dead, dead, shit on." Buddy, you're losing the game. Lock in. Hey. Wow, the spread is like 2 points. It's flickering between like 1 and 2. It's a lot of volume, that means. It's at 2 right now, 1.25, 1.75, 3. Aye,
Googies, Googie, you're not talking, you're mute.
I'm here, just looking at my chart.
You're mute, you don't talk.
You don't hear me?
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
I'm talking.
no, I was talking. I don't think you heard me.
White boy.
Normally Mondays have been your lucky day, huh?
Bro, don't jinx me.
No. I just thought about it. I haven't found a trade in a while. I'm due for a trade. I'm really due for a trade. Any minute now. We almost there? Any minute now. Oh,
Googies, Googie.
yeah, the candles are actually humongous.
Neverland. Here's me hanging out with Peter Pan. Always Googie.
We tap 50% of this big range. 10 to 1030. What do we do here? Are you taking that?
Nah,
Can I know why? I'm curious. What's the theory?
it's two micros.
You're not taking your
I
trade
should
because
I should be I don't know. I'm just not convinced yet. I want to get more on the buy side of the curve. Ugh.
I wonder if you were backtesting, would you have taken it?
I know you're not going to take every single trade on live that you've taken on backtest. You have more context when you're trading live. When I'm backtesting, I don't have no context on SMTs, daily highs, daily lows, session highs, session lows. I have zero context. It's purely mechanical. I'm not going to take always the same trades.
It's true. You do have a lot more context.
You don't know where you are, how the market's been.
It's true. You're zoomed in on the 1 minute.
Good work. It's not a bad trade at all. I'm just avoiding it.
Where do you come from, Catna Joe?
I've been forgetting that too. I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? What did you do? Where did you come from? I don't. Oh goddamn! Oh goddamn! I missed the win. Oh goddamn! I missed the win. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Nigel?
I don't remember what number.
Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Nigel?
That's a pretty strong comeback from all the way down here. They're actually so big, the
Yeah.
candles.
Yeah, we're going from one range to the other range. It's not surprising. I told you can easily go all the way back up and start to push up higher for the rest of the day. How we react in this 15 will tell us a lot.
You're what?
Were you listening to that comedian? I was talking to you, Dave. Were you listening to that comedian?
No,
I heard his voice.
no, I was scrolling, but I didn't really stop on anywhere.
I don't know his name, but he's funny. Funny guy. Wow, what a strong push up. What a strong push up. Good morning, James. Good morning, Darth. Welcome. Mr. Mike sent you guys, huh? Mr. Big Mike. You guys should go tell him to sleep. Force him to sleep. Good morning, Caldwell. Wow, we took out Asia low and we just came back with full strength and speed.
Yeah, now I feel like crying for missing out on that trade.
Up 325 points. It looked good too. Two black, two green. You inverse and for value gap as
Yeah, it
well.
didn't look bad. I didn't say it looked bad.
I didn't say you did say it looked bad. I just said it looked good. But it's okay. We'll have many more opportunities. It's like when someone sends you a blessing, and many more to come.
Yeah.
Kurt, you're killing it. You started down 1.5 and now you're up 1.1. Call it a day. Go enjoy the weather a little bit. The candles are so big, it goes fast to give it back. I haven't even taken a trade yet. Are you trading with minis or micros, Kurt? It's crazy how much it comes back to your 929 candle, huh? Hello?
Yeah, what's up?
I said it's crazy how it reverts back to your 929 candle.
Booby scoot genug.
Yeah.
Yep. Yep.
Are you still backtesting it or you gave up on it?
I don't even know what you're talking about. Backtesting what?
That reversion to the mean at 929 or 829 or that type of stuff.
I've backtested it quite a bit.
Did you like it?
It's not a setup I'm trading on my funded, so
Okay, let me re-ask my question. Is it something that is still worth looking into?
Yeah, 100%. 100%.
Yeah, Dort, there's always inconsistencies of when you backtest and when you take them on live. But the issue is some strategies look easier to take on backtesting but are harder to execute on live account. Maybe the problem is not the strategy, it's execution. Or every day at market close, check if your strategy worked, forward test it a little bit. I
Yeah,
find
you
it's a
can do
little
that.
bit,
I can do sessions of backtesting and backtest a whole month in like an hour. It's so fast.
yeah, he was saying that some strategies he backtest, they really work well, but then when he comes to a funded, they just completely flop.
No, how that would make any sense if you're backtesting something so mechanical.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Obviously, he
saying.
wasn't
I
back.
said
You're
maybe
not
it's
backtesting
execution.
correctly.
Yeah, but also a huge difference between a regular live account, that one funds on self, and a prop firm funded account. What's the difference? Who cares what account you're on if you have live data? It should work. If you've backtested enough and you have the stats to prove it, it shouldn't be an issue when you're taking them on live accounts. They don't trade the strategy differently. You're the one with the executions. I don't get it. The only issues I found when backtesting multiple months of data in different years and then bringing it to a live account was just my execution speed and the understanding of the overall market. That's the only issues I had. It was a little bit harder to execute my more complex strategies live than backtesting because backtesting was a lot simpler. But the strategy itself didn't change. Or like David said, you're backtesting wrong. Your brain is probably picking out the winners and you're probably giving yourself excuses why you avoided the losers while backtesting.
Yeah, that's a common problem. If you lie to yourself while backtesting, the results will show itself when you're forward testing. It's important.
It's me, Mario.
No, it's very
Woohoo!
important to backtest properly.
Well, the 10 a.m. candle looks so bearish, and now it's back at its open. Don't have any trade here though. Nothing looks like it's foaming.
Okinawa, that sounds like it's in Japan. Am I right? Am I right? Am I right?
All right. What did he say? Okay, so you're saying a 100% trading bot trader. I use algorithms and my trading bot to trade. So I input the funded accounts rules for the eval and also for the paid out part, and I backtest that way. Well, then I don't see what the error is. If you have a bot that worked in many different months of different years, then it should be working forward testing as well. Maybe the issue is volume or your stop in different environments doesn't change. I'm not sure. P90X workouts, what is that? 310 and 206, my dad should start that.
I think it's like that.
Wait, in 206, we're in 2026. So in 20 years you lost about 140 pounds. Was that 8 pounds a year?
Whatever it is, consistency worked out.
Yeah. Well, I'm guessing there is periods of time on and time off, like us with training. When we train, sometimes you get sick, sometimes you get injured and you got to take time off, or you're busier a lot more in life and you take a couple months off. But yeah, congrats. 170 pounds is far away from 310, so congrats to you. Me too. I need to lose a little bit of weight. I'm at 220. I want to go. I want to go back down to 200. 200's a little big for me. I feel heavy. I get bloated after meals. I gotta go back down to at least 200. What are the P90X? P90X workout. Oh, I've seen this guy before. Yeah, the workouts must be insane. They look like they make you working like an animal. Ooh, that's a big candle. Well, it's starting to get better on my out of sample and walk forward back testing, but to be honest, I haven't been trading that long, so I don't have like you know, years of experience. Well, I'm around the 3 year mark or 2.5 year mark. I'm not exactly sure. But for the back testing, we got Forex replay, so I took the strategies I found back testing and I just checked like 6 months in 2023, another 6 months in 2024, 6 months in 2025, and I looked if they worked in all those months and how consistent it was throughout the years. All right, Darth. Enjoy. A lot of good games today. Netherlands, Morocco, Germany, Paraguay, Brazil, Japan. Wow, the market's been very powerful lately on its moves. The volume has been insane. The average true range of the candles have been very big too. Oy.
I'm still looking at my setup
Yeah.
in despair. I don't know, I wasn't fully convinced yet. Something in my mind is telling me, stay away. Stay away. Stay away.
Hopefully the Japan goalie plays like last game. He played so well. A little ninja in nets. What we got here. Nothing too crazy.
Yeah. I don't got nothing for now. I wish my mind made me take that trade at 1025. God damn.
Yeah, that's why I was asking you. I wanted you to dissect it. Maybe take it.
It wasn't bad. I don't know. I just didn't like how fast we came down, and that fair value gap at 1010 was a bit scary for me. I thought we would tap into it and play around.
No, I agree. I was a little bit scared of it too because I saw the speed of which we came down. And I said, bro, normally when you get days like that, you can continue going down for the whole day and every single up move will just be corrected with a bigger down move. Me too, I was a
Well,
bit...
we're still in Thursday's range. We haven't really gone anywhere.
Yeah, well, up looks like the move for the rest of the day. That previous day high and that high from on the 1 hour at 4 o'clock looks pretty clean. Right next to previous day's high. Candles are so big I can't even put the entire move on my chart. If not, the small candles look way too small. They look like an indecisive candle, like there's no green and or no black. My soldiers do not buckle and yield. I think that's one of the best lines in anime, and the best rage goes to Gon. Good morning, Antonio.
Oh my god, he's back.
He's back. Do you put the little bell so you get a notification when we go live? A little birdie told me, who's Antonio? You've never seen him on the leaderboard for the Trading World Cup. The Italian Antonio, he's like a professional scalper. I have videos on what he did on Friday. Apparently it was crazy. He parties hard. What's that meme from that guy who used to kill people? Party hardy? Hardy party? What was it?
Party pooper.
No, for real. That show, the blonde guy with the glasses who kills people. Party hardy? Yes, you don't know what I'm talking about. Talking to you, Dave. You
I
mute.
have no idea what you're saying, bro. Repeat.
The blonde guy with the glasses who kills people.
What?
Jeffrey Dahmer? What?
Yeah,
Who's
what?
that? I don't know who that is.
Yeah, a blonde guy with glasses who kills people.
I
Like, I
said,
don't
what does he
understand what
say?
you're
What's
talking
his
about.
saying? It's party hardy? Remember he says some weird shit like that?
It's exactly that, yeah.
Okay, there you go. So you know.
Who's the strong guy with big muscles? Like, bro, you gave nothing to go on.
I said party hardy like 8 times in the last 2
I
minutes.
wasn't listening to you.
This is what happens when you spend your time on TikTok.
It's better than listening to you.
Who? Yeah, bro. Relax, Al. Take it easy, Al. Do you see the chat? He'll give it to ya.
I'll give it to you. Make you. I'll make a tucket, tucket. I'm on my way with you. I'll be running all night with you.
Oh, it's crazy. On my phone it says lâche ton phone, and on my YouTube chat it says put down your phone. I realized they translate it. He's typing in French, it's coming in English.
Ugh.
Alrighty, another long hour to the morning. Pickle tonight. Pickle tonight would be fun. Are you down pickle tonight, Dave?
Yeah, when after my shift at 10 o'clock.
Uh,
Hey,
damn.
hey, hey, hey.
I forgot Monday. It's probably gonna be so hot and humid. It's a nice day for it though.
You guys can still go. You don't need me to play.
How's Wednesday night?
Get 4 people and go play.
We could go Wednesday night also. Thursday you're out. I know you're going out. Yeah, we could go Wednesday. Go play pickle. Pickle my wickle. Why are you laughing?
When you tell yourself you're gonna avoid a trade and it fails, you're so happy. But when you tell yourself you're gonna avoid a trade and it
And it works,
wins,
you're like, why the fuck did I avoid it?
so much worse.
I know.
Shake your ass.
You get so happy when you avoid it and the trade doesn't work out. You're like, yeah, you see, I avoided it. Yeah. But yeah, when you avoid a winner, you're like, what the fuck, man? ES, what you doing?
Let me see if there's any courts available. Anyways,
It's very hot tonight. Even Wednesday night I checked, it's crazy hot. We would go play around 8:30, like 9 o'clock, and it's still 30 degrees.
let's see. Oh, there's one free court. You guys want it or what?
No, it's okay.
Huh?
I don't need it, no. Book for Wednesday. We'll go Wednesday.
You can book 3 days in advance. Oh, I could.
My haircut is Thursday. So we should be fine.
Okay, I booked for Wednesday.
Pickle.
But is it raining on Wednesday?
No, it's raining in the early morning and that's it. And the rest of the day it's very nice and hot and humid on Wednesday. Let me go confirm. Yeah, it's raining like at 1 in
Yeah,
the
it should be
morning.
okay.
And then it's good for the rest of the day. It doesn't show rain for the rest of the day. And it's 30 degrees at 8:30. That's insane. There's only like a 10% chance of it raining. I like those odds. Alright, just don't tell Antonio we're gonna go play pickle on Wednesday.
Oh my god. Don't tell him I gave his dog Nutella. I put boogers behind his bed frame.
Whining or winning? Why is David always whining?
No, winning, I think he meant.
I don't know.
I think he's doing text to speech because his spelling is like horrible. Gobblers. You should have put goobers. All right, what are we getting now?
Yeah, he meant winning. Because Dave's just a winner. He's him, you know? He's a winner in life. Seven zero is crazy. It's a winning streak. It's okay. It's the week I'm gonna catch up. Da 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 da.
It would have been 8 with this morning. God damn. Charlie.
Morning to you, mate. Top of the morning to you. What did he say? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Common. He said he wrote common.
No, common is double M.
Kumon.
Come on, Al.
Okay, I want to enjoy some sun, bro. Give me a trade. I could take the day off. Ooh, major SMT.
That's the big one.
Oh.
Don't have a trade though.
Me neither, but I don't know where we want to go yet. If we want to go for the daily high that we left 40, 50 points above the morning high. Or we're just going to play in this range. I hate when you're in another daily range, like Thursday's range or whatever. It's horrible. The 15 looks so bullish.
Yeah, I know. I looked at it. It looks so bullish, the 15-minute.
Every move up look bullish until it's not.
Correct. The previous day high is it looks so clean for me. I feel like we're gonna go grab it today. Did you see GTA 6 is ready for pre-order? How much money they probably made already?
Yeah, I never played GTA though.
Me neither. Never tried it. Well, I've tried it, but just to drive.
My neighbor had it. My neighbor Antonio.
Yeah.
But bro,
He
he
never
didn't
let
really
you
show
play,
me how
huh?
to. Yeah, he didn't
I
show me how to
know.
play. He just used to show me him driving to the strip club and looking at the naked girls.
And saying when he's older, that's where he wants to be.
Yeah, yeah, he was pretty weird, that fellow.
So apparently GTA has already made between $3 and $4 billion in pre-order. There's no way.
Nah, I don't even believe that. Come on.
There's no way. That's insane. I don't even know what he's saying. He's saying Alex. Okay, bro. Now somebody else has to make the same joke.
Yeah, just block her. Bro, what is he gonna? Oh, he's gonna invent stories now.
It's your turn.
Here comes the imagination.
What did he say? What did you say, Mr. David?
I don't know. I've got the magic in me. I don't know, but I heard Antonio telling people he's he's an engineer and stuff, like a spatial engineer, aerospace engineer, he said. Yeah. And they asked him the laws on thermodynamics, and he said, "Shish kababa."
What do you do, Sir Antonio? I'm a con artist.
What are the laws of thermodynamics? He said, when my stick goes up, it doesn't come down.
Bro.
Okay, let's take it easy.
Antonio's asking, did you forget what you told them in front of him?
I guess I did, yeah.
I think he did. Could you remind us?
Yeah, remind us.
What did he say?
I know what he's talking about. This is when I wanted to go home. I wanted to go home, and they didn't stop like chatting, you know.
Who didn't
So I
stop
went to
chatting?
Antonio and the guys and stuff, and I wanted to go home. It's getting late. Everybody's leaving Cathcart, and they're just still there.
Mm.
So 7:35, 7. I might have to take this trade here. Hold on, Charlie.
Take what?
Sandwich.
Yo, what's this candle?
It's too high, anyways. Hold on. Yeah, no retrace. Too close for me.
Guess
Yeah. He wanted to stay there and talk and talk. I said, bro, I'm gonna be here till tomorrow. So what could I do to like end the conversation, you know?
what did you do?
And I went up to him all worried and I said, bro, your mom called. You have to go home and put your hemorrhoid cream.
There's no way.
And the girl goes, hemorrhoid cream? Ew. And Antonio goes, what's a hemorrhoid? The girl goes, it's shit in your ass. Oh my god, ew.
Ew, what's that?
Hemorrhoid cream. Trust me, the conversation ended right there and we went home.
Ew, that's crazy. You should get jail time for that fucking shit.
You
Your
should get
boy's
a
talking
ticket.
to a girl, your mom called, you need to go home and put your hemorrhoid cream. Bro, I would throw a fist straight to you so
The
fast.
funny part is the whole time he kept asking what it was, and I just had to show him a bunch of pictures from Google Images.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
What's a hemorrhoid?
I hope she sees him next time and starts yelling, "Hey, hemorrhoid man, come here."
He's putting cream for something he doesn't even know what it is.
Oh my goodness. That was funny.
Is that an equal low on ES? Yeah.
She was telling him, tu sais pas c'est quoi les hémorroïdes?
In France, we pop them and drink the juice with escargot.
Escargot à la hémorroïde.
That's crazy. I wanted to go home and my friend didn't stop talking to a girl, so I went up to him and I told him, "Hey bro, your mom called. You have to put your hemorrhoid cream. You have to go home."
I started with, why
Oh
aren't you
my
answering your
god.
mom? Why aren't you answering her? Oh my god.
Leave me alone, Dave. I'm in the middle of something. Yeah, but you gotta put cream in the middle of something else. Oh man.
Escargot à la hémorroïde. That made me laugh. Escargot.
What's going on, Mike? Is David is cock blocking Antonio now? We have a professional cock blocker.
Anyways, Futures for, if you want to compare hemorrhoids, Antonio has two.
That's nasty. You a nasty fellow. I went outside this morning to drink my espresso. It was already hot at like 9 a.m. 5-10 minutes, I already had back sweat. Consolidation, I see. Hello, Shirov Dalawala Fitris. I'll call you Shiva. Anybody take trades today? Anybody had fun in the market? Ended up green, ended red. No trades for us today. Is that name short for something else? Is Shiva Raj Dalawawa Fretus short for something else? What's your real name? Yeah, I'll call you Shiva. A lot easier. All right. Real name is Shiva. Alrighty. Shiva it is. No. I am uneducated in that part of the language. In Hindu, Shiva does mean God. I think I've heard of it. That's why I've heard the word before. So in Hinduism, it's Lord, and in Judaism, it's sitting Shiva. That's right, Martin. We're in the round of 16 now. Yes, sir. Yeah, Lord Shiva. My dad didn't want to name me after a lord. Said I wasn't good enough. Next time I'm sending him home in an Uber when it gets late. Hey, shithead, your Uber's here. Get in the car and bring your dirty jokes home. Martin, you missed a story. I
Bro, what's my problem? Why didn't I take that, huh?
don't know. I was asking the same thing.
Huh? What was it in that moment that made me say no?
I don't know. I even told you to take it.
Yeah.
I told you to look out for it. So yeah, Martin
Of course.
Antonio went out with David during the week Thursday night. And it was getting late and David has to go home to get his baby rest for the market the next day. And Antonio wasn't done talking to the women. And David decides to walk up to Antonio and tells him, "Hey bro, why aren't you answering your mom?" Antonio goes, "What do you mean?" David goes, "Bro, she keeps telling me to tell you that you have to get your butt home to put your hemorrhoid cream in front of the girls." The girls goes, "Ew, hemorrhoids." And Antonio goes, "What do you mean? What's a hemorrhoid?" The conversation ended there, and David got his way. And David got his way, and they went home. Conversation ended right there. Ew, what's that? I think personally, Antonio should sue David for defamation.
For defamation.
Get David up on the stand. Yeah, Martin, unfortunately, still 7-0. No trade Friday afternoon and no trade again, it looks like this morning. It's been a calm little time for me. My trades are in hiding. They're hibernating. My setups are hibernating. Don't know where they went. Antonio's laughing. 7-0. It's not funny. Martin, you don't know him, but Antonio's our neighborhood bully. Yeah, it is summertime. Martin, you never told me how was your boat day? Haven't been on a boat in a while. Yeah, for sure. It's so fun spending time in the water on a boat. Clear crystal waters. In Spain, right? Your little boat trip was in Spain also? Four times four, 16. So 16 women and 4 men. Wow, lucky you guys. Lucky you, Martin. I know, I was just kidding. I saw 4 and 4. I think spending the day on the water is the most fun activity. Calm, peaceful, fun, the outdoors. Antonio, you're picking up traction. People are asking you questions. I wonder if he's still here. Bro, these candles are so big, man. Old Yeller, come back Yeller. He's the best goddamn dog in the West. Antonio Nadal, he must be from Spain.
Oh no, I fucked up. I fucked up. I was about to take a trade there, but it closed up last second. Saved my ass.
Watch yourself. Show me what you got.
I actually saved my ass.
I saw at the last second that candle jumped up.
Too many drawings here. Let me clear up my chart a bit. Let me clear it up. Let me clear it up. So we can be free. All my bitches say. All my bitches say.
ICT is a trading model. Well, trading model. He's actually a teacher. He teaches different models, but and no, Martin, he doesn't trade. He's a neighborhood watch. It's that movie with the aliens and they have a neighborhood watch and they catch the aliens. I think eventually everyone does. Everyone passes by trading at one point in their lives. Oh, Yeller, come back, Yeller.
All right, still got 20 minutes. See what happens.
Monenos, I think I'm gonna call you money. Short for money. Hello, money. Money? No. No, better to be positive. I'll call him money. Yeah, above the previous day high, but I thought we are gonna reach it in the next 15 minutes, so it might be during the lunch hour, the PM session, but previous day high was a target for me as well this morning. To be honest, I didn't think we'd come back down again after the market open. And no, I've never been to Banff, but I heard apparently it's beautiful. Very nice. Yeah, Antonio's more in the illegal trade business. He's not ICT, he's like ITP, which stands for I Trade People. Whew. Bless myself. Thank you, Martin. You're the man. Hey, Martin, Brazil is playing Japan in about 1 hour and 45 minutes and an hour and 15. I'm really hoping Japan could bring it home. Yeah, in an hour. I'm rooting for Japan, man. May luck be on their side today. May every Brazil shot go out too wide, and every single Japan shot find its corners. Yeah, it's gonna be very hard for Japan. Not impossible though. Gonna be hard, not impossible. Yeah, Brazil is very good too, yeah. I just hope we don't have France versus Argentina again. And if we do, give it to France. La France. En fait, c'est Kylian Mbappé. Yeah, it could be great revenge. No one's expecting it, but who knows? Maybe you could see or say a little bye-bye to Brazil in round of 32. Bye-bye. Go home. See you next time, and you could bow to them like the Japanese. See you next time. Thank you for coming. You guys just don't believe. Nobody believes. Nobody's a believer. Anybody want to translate what Antonio said? I have no idea what that means. David, you still here?
I'm here. I'm here.
He trades in real world economy. Yeah. It's like how the people used to do trades back in the day. They used to go from Europe to Africa, back to America. That's a little bit what he does. He's in the shipment business. Very good for our GDP. Oh, so this is the morning high. Yes, it's pretty far from the open high. Well, pretty far. Not that far, but further away. Mr. ES, what you doing here? I can see what I see. I'll stay for a little longer here, chat. I'd be high to be swept. Yeah, I think that high is going to be swept. To be honest, my target from the morning was previous day high. I really thought on market open when we dropped down and took this liquidity, we would probably continue running straight for previous day high pretty fast, but then we came down pretty strong and went all the way down and swept Asia low. But yeah, if you look at it in the in a wider sense, for sure this high is probably going to be swept, and previous day high will be the most obvious target after that. We just need a trade to go for it. Close my eyes. I should just buy, close my eyes, put a take profit at previous day high. Go work out, huh? Alright, well, I'll stay on for another 5-7 minutes. Maybe we get something right before the lunch hour. I think the IB high will be swept. Yeah, from all day. Yeah, taking into account everything. Which is all the way up here. Yeah, if an SMT happens here, it's going to be a big SMT, but my SMT trade, unfortunately, it has to be between like close cycles, and the last two highs that one sweeps and one doesn't has to be close by as well. They can't be far out. We'll see what he wants to do here. The next minutes will tell us a lot. Bro, my back is killing me. I think it's too much sitting. And the issue is I never really do back at the gym, and when I do it, it's like my back is sore for a full week. I might have a trade here if NQ sweeps these highs. But ES cannot make equal highs here, which it looks like it will. Yeah, no trade. Against the rules. Whoops, what just happened here? I mean, I do train, but I don't train that much. I do like an arm day a week, a chest day a week, and if I go a third time, I'll do back. That's pretty much it. Nothing too special. Well, we almost had a trade there.
Well, no trades for me except the one this morning that I was too afraid for some reason to take. I don't know why. I'll see you in the PM, boy. I'm gonna go make breakfast, get a bit of sun. I'll see you in the PM. 1 o'clock.
Yeah, enjoy. I'm
Sharp.
getting off in a minute or two.
Sharp. 1 PM sharp.
Enjoy.
Sharp.
All right, guys, I'm gonna call it quits too. Thank you guys for joining. If you guys aren't sub helps off the channel. And yeah, my AM session will be done. We didn't really find anything. There's only one little trade that we kind of liked, but we hesitated on this morning, which was a long at the 1025 candle. But since we came down a little bit strong, we were a bit hesitant. I didn't take it, but it ended up working, and that's pretty much it for the AM session, what we saw. So enjoy, have a nice rest of the day, and enjoy all the soccer games that are coming up today. There are some good ones.